Hello students, this is Miss Mitchell, and here's some information regarding your career factors assignment. So first of all, the objective of this assignment is for you to examine sources of information that influence career and education decision making. So this is one of those career and educational development standards, C3. So what you need to do is go to Google Classroom and open up the C3 Career Factors assignment and open up that document, please. And then once it loads up, you need to answer these questions. Do you know what you want to do for a career? And then if so, what is that? Why do you want to pursue this career? And what influenced your decision? So you want to write this down. Now, if you have no idea, it's okay if you write IDK. But then I would like you to brainstorm factors as to why someone might be influenced to pursue a particular career. So write down as many factors that you can think of that might influence a person's career decision. So write them down here, please. Okay, and so after you complete that, please compare your answers with the career factors listed on the next slide. And then this is important. Then you want to add the factors that you're missing to your handout. Okay, so you want to look on this next slide here. And these are some of the factors. Your aptitude and multiple intelligence. Those are things that you're kind of born with. Your attitude and disposition about things may influence your career decision. Obviously, your abilities or your skills. Your experiences, something you do at work or through clubs or sports. These may influence your career factors. Maybe you have a part-time job and you decide you like to do a particular thing. So that might influence your career decision. Economic factors, such as unemployment or money to attend colleges, that may influence your career decision. What are your interests? We're going to be doing a survey in Naviance based on John Holland's research. But what are your interests? And there are certain interests that are areas that are better for particular careers than others. So we're going to explore that in this class. There are other influences such as media, society, culture, family, peers, teachers, counselors, and employers. What goals do you have? How do you want to spend your time, your money, your resources? So that may influence your career decisions. Your personality, we're going to do a Myers-Briggs personality survey in this class. That may, in fact, be one factor that influences your career decision. And let's see if I can get out of this one here. Your work values. So money, autonomy, security, and surroundings may also influence your career decision. So you may need to go back to this document and make sure you have those 10 listed. You can add more than one per line as well. And make sure you submit this on Google Classroom so that you can get complete credit. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out to me and have a great day.